Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to learn how can you create a table. Okay, in MS Access. So how can you create? So one of the best example for a database is the MS Access. We already learned. Okay, so how can you start? So starting procedure I'm showing here. You want to click Microsoft Access here. I am clicking 2007. If you can do in 2010 also, no problem. Okay, so the procedure is almost same. You want to click blank database, then you want to type the file name. What's the file name here? File name is I am giving here RAM. So create, then you want to click create, then your Microsoft Access window will be open, that you can see table 1 there. So there you want to create a table. How can you create a table? In order to create a table, you want to take which view? Design view. Okay, in order to create a table, we want to click in a design view. For that, what you want to click? View menu you want to click. After that, you click the design menu, not data sheet menu. You want to click design menu. Okay, so after clicking design menu, you want to save your table. So you can give any table name. Okay, so that is saving is necessary here. Okay, children, so I am giving here the table name is here. You can type your own table name. Suppose if you are typing the student, if you are creating student table, you can create student. If you are creating any employee table, you can give employee name. Okay, so after clicking, after saving the table, you can see this window which consists of field name and data type. That is very important, field name and data type. So here, field name means what are the we already mentioned that table consists of what? Rows and columns. Columns are called fields, and um, rows are also known as records. Okay, so we are going to enter the fields. What are the fields present in the table? So here, field name I am giving, the first one is name of the student. So each field you want to give what? You want to give the data type. Then only our software or computer knows that you are going to use that data type, because data may be a number, data may be a what? Text. Okay, so you want to specify that which data you are going to use in here for a particular field. Okay, so here name of the student is always in text. Okay, but you can see one key there, one key, small key there, no? That is known as what? Primary key. That is known as what? Primary key. Because name of the student, we cannot make it as a primary key, because maybe say two person in a class may have the same name, right? But which is unique in your class? It is roll number. Roll number is very unique, so we can make roll number as a primary key. Okay, children, so roll number is always unique. So what is a primary key? It is a unique key which is used to identify records in a table or rows in a table. So we made roll number as a primary key. After that, we want to type address. Third field is address. We are making as text. Okay, children. And fourth field is phone number. That we making as phone number will be a text. No, right? Okay, you can send the field properties of that phone number. You can also that make how you can click. You want to click the three dots. After that, there is many input methods are there. Which model if you want, you can click any which is your choice. Then you want to click next. Okay, then here you can see here how it is done. Same way you want to do in your system also. Okay, so then you want to click after clicking everything, finish button you want to click. Okay children. Okay, so next which one you want to, next field name here giving, we are going to give as what, father's name and mother's name, that also you can include. So these are, so how many fields we created, 1 2 3 6 field. Then data type also we already given. Okay children, only roll number is of type number. If you want you can give the description of each field also. After that you want to save the table. Okay, then after saving you can see the your table is created there. Okay children, then if you want to make your heading bold you can click bold. If you want to make your whatever typing, if you want to make it a you want the size increase, you can increase the size. Okay children, you can create your table. Thank you children.